First, let's look at the key. We have the unlock button, trunk button, lock button, and the alarm button. Step on the brake, and we can start the car. On the instrument cluster, we can see the current speed and the car animation. We can use the scroll wheel to view the car information after starting and after resetting. We can see the tire pressures, music, navigation, and the G value. If we turn on the ejection mode, we can see some changes in the instrument cluster. The G value will be on the left and the speed in the middle. On the right, we can see the car animation is at the end of the list. If we switch to D gear, step on the pedal and long press the ejection button, we can enter the ejection mode, and the animation will be displayed on the instrument cluster. If we activate the ACC mode, we can use the left wheel to change the cruise speed. And we can use the left and right buttons to adjust the following distance. The buttons on the right are for media control. When we play a song, we can use the wheel to change the volume, or play or pause the song. We can use the left and right buttons to switch songs. Now let's move on to the head unit. We have the drop-down menu, where we can see many shortcuts. And here we can see the notification center. We can click the top left button to activate the voice assistant. And here we have some buttons for wireless charging, Bluetooth, WLAN, and the time. On the home page, we can see the map of the navigation. We can click here to enter a destination. We can use this button to search for nearby charging stations. And here's the home shortcut and the office shortcut. We can drag to move the map, or we can use the two-finger pinch to zoom in or zoom out. We can also change the map view. Here we can switch the map to 3D mode, north-oriented, or car-oriented. And here we can adjust the volume and enter the settings. We have the navigation settings, display settings, data settings, and other settings. We can use this button to create a driving team. Below we have some widgets. In the music widget, we can switch the music to Bluetooth music or USB music. We can click the widget to enter the play mode. We can click the middle widget to enter the AC interface. On the right, we have some widgets for vehicle control. Long press doesn't trigger any response. On the bottom left, we can change the AC temperature of the driver's side. And here's the home button. Here we can enter the settings page. We have the general settings, light settings, driving assistance settings, vision and safety settings, vehicle settings, display settings, connectivity settings, sound settings, and system settings. And this is the Apps menu button. Click the plus button and we can edit the shortcuts for the app. Long press and we can also enter the edit mode. On the right, we can change the AC temperature on the passenger's side. If we open another page, we can swipe right to go back to the home page. To wrap things up, we can unbuckle, exit the car, and lock the car.